Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make a pencil case with this piece of wool fabric. It's about 9 inches long and 7 inches wide, and I'll take the long sides and I'll hem them. And what this will do is make it look neater and also make it more durable. Next, I'll fold it in half. And sew the sides. Then I'll cut up a small piece of fabric and stitch it together to make it thicker, and then attach it to one side of the pencil bag and sew it down, and then I'll attach a button to the other side of the pencil bag, and you're done. That was so simple.